Looking for the best ironing boards? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 ironing boards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Household Essentials, Pressing Station Steel Top Wide Ironing Board. Large top. Fibertech material is biodegradable. Affordable board with a generous workspace and an eco-conscious pad. Most eco-friendly. Rare reports of wobbly legs. At number 2. Minky Homecare, Ergo Plus Ironing Board. Heat reflective Prozone cover prevents burning and damages. Side Ergo racks designed for arm movement and function as a rest for steam generators. Users can wrap cords around the flex guide for less tangling. The protective fabric and ergonomic design makes this a safe and user-friendly model. Some customers have reported that the legs can be wobbly. At number 1. Brabantia Ironing Board with Steam Rest. Easy assembly. Height is adjustable. Ironing board cover, included, stays taut. Linen rack also included. A workhorse for the laundry room. A generously sized ironing board with an iron rest and sturdy, adjustable legs. It's pricey and also on the heavy side. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.